Lefty Wannabes, and welcome to my channel, Right Left Hand. Today is maintenance 15, so let's go ahead and get started. Been trying to be a little more regular. I guess this is really just the next month since things got a little bit wacky in the first 2 weeks of, well, I guess even before then, just last week of June, first weeks of July, especially because some series I kept up with, others I did not, which I had to go back and just rectify that by retroactively doing the series, which, you know, I don't think there's anything wrong with that, going back and fixing something, because that's really what it was. It was and there, I keep on messing up this sequence of letters, so I forgot the Q this time, but I edited it in, so if you see a weird looking alphabet right now, yeah, it's just a little bit of tiredness, no biggie. So, alright, moving on to the lowercase, which is another non-biggie, I guess I can say. So just want to get it done in a good way, in a good amount of time, by continuing to practice and staying consistent as well. That's another important thing that we got to do around here, is practice and be consistent. Yeah, and before we know it, we will be done with 2019. We'll be in 2020, so that's kind of weird to think about. Let's just make sure this focuses, not move it, just focus, so that everybody can see the good work that I did today. Alright, there you have it, maintenance 15. Thanks for watching. Come back next time to continue the series with me. Alrighty, goodbye.